For this video, I'm showing you a wet on a dry surface sky. So first, wet on dry sky. So the first thing is to prepare your 3 washes. The first one is cobalt blue. The second one is Naples yellow with a little light red. And the third one is a grey sort of neutral tint. So mixing up your burnt sienna, your red and your cobalt blue together. So the first thing to do is to wet your paper. So using a large brush, cover the surface, make sure you've got clean water, and I want you to leave this time a few areas of dry paper. So the first thing to do is to float the blue wash into the water on the paper and see what shapes emerge. So I'm not covering the whole area, I'm just putting in small touches. This is sort of quite an accidental method, so you're not directing the paint in any particular way, you're just going to add it to see what effects you get. So make sure you clean your brush really thoroughly for the next stage. You're going to pick up your Naples yellow, and that's mixed with a very light red, and you're going to paint towards the bottom of the painting now in the sort of drier areas. And this stage you can allow the paper to dry, or you can continue as you are. So the next colour is your neutral colour. And you're going to start at the top left, and you're going to just work it in gradually. Now the shape of your brush is up to you. I'm using a flat square one. I mean, a round tip one would work well too. So I'm now putting a bit more dark cloud into the top right hand corner. And I'm also going to add a bit of this to the middle clouds as shadows. So clean your water and your brush, and I want you to paint some smaller cloud shapes towards the bottom of your neutral tint. So soften any hard edges using clean water. So again, this is a very sort of soft and accidental wash. If you want to, when it's dry, you can start to bring in sort of like an image on over the top of it, for instance, trees or some sort of horizon line. But let it dry first.